Alright guys, this is Meyer with another bass practice video. Here is a strategy that I like to use anytime I've gone at least 2 days without picking up a bow. This is called the cold start, and the objective here is to take our cold bodies that are not working very well and get them to be playing our best with our best sound as fast as possible. So here's how it goes. I'm going to use the German bow, but you can do this with a French bow grip too, no problem. Same idea. Here's how it goes. First we're going to start, bow on the string, pick an easy string like D or G. Then we're going to play eighth notes with just our fingers. Alright, once your fingers are starting to feel it, and the fingers are working, use wrist, fingers. The goal here is just to get the muscles moving. I didn't say elbow, don't bring your elbow. Alright, now once you use your elbow, your fingers and wrists are going to work a little differently. Instead of pushing the bow, they're going to kind of absorb the bow like they're supposed to. My wrist is going to lead a little bit. I like to isolate them because you got to activate them. It's like putting oil on the Tin Man. Okay, next, we're going to take all that stuff we just did, all that great movement we did, isolation, fingers, wrist, elbow, upper arm, shoulders. We're going to add our entire body into it now. Now if you sit down, same kind of deal, you're just going to kind of move on your sit bones. But the idea is you want to move your whole body. Assuming you've been walking the past couple days, you can move your body without too much thought. The trick is sticking it with your bow on it. So, we're going to move our body. I'm going to play a bow stroke. Nice. Move your body. Think about activating everything we just did. Play a bow stroke. Body. Bow. Body. Bow. Body. Bow. Body. Body. It's okay if you stop the bow sometimes. Body. Our goal here is to just get everything going. Once you get into the swing of it, you can start moving your body mid-bow stroke. Don't do it until you're comfortable. Body, bow, body, bow, body, bow, body, bow, body, bow, body. This is what happens a lot with people doing this. My bow synced up, doesn't do any good. It's like swinging a bat and then falling over afterwards. The whole idea is we want to try to keep our weight over the playing area. That's why we move our body. So you might find that as you play, balance. My body's way over here, the bow's way over here. So that's when I move my body back. Move it back. Simple, right? It's all about staying balanced. So cold start. Isolate, and then let it rip. Because you got to warm the bass up too, which means you got to make a lot of sound. See me working down to the bridge. Alright, anyway, that's the cold start. Feel free to leave any comments if you got any questions. Thanks.